I can, with the sound, screen is free. Now I can write anything. Children, what is this instrument called? Microscope.
Teacher can raise the screen, she can write on the screen and just move on to the next page.
Now, if I have completed this is what you can create.
You can access it so familiar to the children. Then you can afford, right? Even you can have objective. Now SAS tests are also coming in. You have got a remote control device. Objective paper come. The children have just to take the right, ABCD, and no cheating, nothing. And teacher move on to the next page, so you don't have time to look here and there. Right recording of a child's achievement. You can see a mango tree with mango, which a rare sight you know. In class 10 you can see a mango tree with mango Okay, sit down children, sit down. Who's ready? Oh, very nice. Okay, goodbye. Thank you, children. Teachers, shortly you're going to join us in the cultural, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? हमारे साथ साथ चलिए आइए
आप कैसे कर
Thank you, Siva. Thank you.
Hello, my name is John.
When I find difficulty, the teacher comes and guides how to draw. These are the stones which are going to be large painting. We collected it from the Exactly what we can do, you know. The glass painting. Now after what is this cake? Very nice. notice please. Photo frames made by children and groups come here.
I request all of you to be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure and honor to welcome you all on behalf of management, staff and students of Dr. Bansi Dhar School on this auspicious moment in the history of our school. We all are here to celebrate the inauguration of the new school building. The show today will mesmerize you with breathtaking dances and soothing melodies. To make this occasion everlasting in your memories, I request all the dignitaries to please accept this plant sibling from the little ones of DVD. Thank you, children. Now I request the Vice Chairman.
Good morning, everybody, to society. Managing Committee of Dr. Bansi Dhar School, Shri Ram Alliance, a unit of decent Shri Ram industry, I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Srimati Bansi Dhar. We are delighted to be part of a memorable occasion of inauguration of new building of Dr. Bansi Dhar School by Dr. Bansi Dhar. We are grateful to us for having taken the trouble to come all the way from Delhi and encouraging us. We extend warm welcome to our Deputy Managing Director, Decent Shri Ram Industries Limited and Chairman of Sir Shri Ram Social Development Society, Shri Alok B. Shri Ram. We are pleased to welcome the Chairperson of Dr. Bansi Dhar School, Srimati Karuna Shri Ram. It is our pleasure to welcome CEO of Shri Ram Alliance and Vice Chairman of Sir Shri Ram Social Development Society, Shri K.M. Rao. A heartiest warm welcome to the first citizen of Kota, our Mayor, Dr. Srimati Ratna Jain. We are honored to welcome Mr. Rajesh Thaturia from Pollution Control Board. It is our pleasure to welcome Mr. A.K. Khanna, Deputy Commissioner, Central Excise. We welcome and thank Mr. Vinod Singh, architect of Dr. Bansi Dhar School, who has designed such a perfect, majestic building. We are happy to welcome Mr. Deepak Sohani and also thank him for constructing such a beautiful building and turned our dream into reality with excellent work, with full dedication and sincerity. I welcome the members of the press, print media and electronics media. A warm welcome to our colleagues from Delhi office, Mumbai office, Kota office. I extend further word of welcome to everyone present here. On this occasion, we would like Dr. Bansi Dhar received his early education at Dual School, Dehradun. He graduated from Delhi University in Chemistry and had degrees in Management and Business Economics from Germany. Furthermore, he has successfully completed Advanced Management Program of a Harvard Business School, USA. He has received his doctorate degree from Paga University. Dr. Bansi Dhar has been the Chairman and Senior Managing Director of DCM Limited and Chairman of the Hindustan Revenue. Besides, he was also a director on the board of J&G Works Limited, Shriram Refrigeration Industries, Shriram Refrigeration and Rings, Usha International Limited, and Kothari Sugar and Capital Limited. Dr. Bansi Dhar had also held the post of a president of FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, PhD Chamber of Commerce, Dairy Factory Owners Association, Indian Sugar Association, and various industrial bodies, including welfare and alcohol industry. Dr. Bansi Dhar was doyen of education in India. His contribution to the development of education in Sir Shriram College of Commerce, A.D. Shriram College, and Independence College is well known in the country. Dr. Bansi Dhar had also associated with a number of government bodies. He will always be remembered as a knowledgeable, yet humble person by the entire country. Eastern China Industries Limited has been synonymous with excellence, quality, integrity. As a business group, it has rich legacy of sound governance, effective corporate governance, technological sophistication, and above all, the goodwill and the loyalty of numerous stakeholders and associates. It is a diversified group with operation in sugar, alcohol, organic, inorganic chemicals, drug intermediates, rayon tire cord, shipping containers. Shriram at Kota is a unit of Eastern Shriram Industries Limited, which was set up in 1965 to produce rayon tire cord with a technical cooperation of Unit Fiber and Chemtech USA. Shriram is one of the major manufacturers of high-grade rayon tire cords in the world. It is not out of the place to mention that there are only 4 producers of rayon tire cord in the world. We at a Kota are proud that Shriram is in Rajasthan, is in Kota. We are proud to be associated with Shriram. Shriram has received National Export Award from 1992 consecutively. We are proud to be associated with the group and the family. Eastern Shriram Industries is a pioneer adopting corporate social responsibility. The areas of activity is spread over education, promotion of sport and cultural activities, besides the environment protection and promotion of good health. Sports and cultural events are organized regularly and employees are encouraged to participate in such events. On the health event, camps of medical checkup, blood donation are organized at the unit level for the benefit of the population in and around Kota. We are engaged in environmental protection by tree plantation at our factory, ballroom, school, energy conservation measures. Helping to improve the quality of life of our employees is much a part of our basic management philosophy, even Shriram. As a company, the society continues the legacy of the Shriram family, the Sir Shriram Social Development Society was registered in 2001 and has been constituted without any motive for profit. Dr. Bansi Dhar School is set up in 2008 in the memory of founder chairman of the company. The society has an ambitious plan to set up Dr. Bansi Dhar School in each district of Rajasthan. We began to create the educational need of children and in and around Kota without any discrimination based on the caste, religion, social background, etc. It maintains a high standard of education. Dr. Bansi Dhar School is one of the first institutions perhaps in the country to implement right to education act in the current session of the destiny. We express our sincere thanks and hard work with the total dedication for construction and in assisting the construction work of new buildings by all employees of Shriram directly or indirectly. The society pleased to place on record the contribution of Mr. Prashant Kapoor, Mr. Ashu Gautam, Mr. O.K. Vijay, Mr. Ram Khetri, and Veena Goswami. Thanks to Mr. Vandana Sharma, the principal of Dr. Bansi Dhar School. The society would also like to place on the record the contribution of all the teachers of Dr. Bansi Dhar School, staff members and children. बच्चों, आज आपके लिए हमारी पूज्य माता जी डॉक्टर श्री बंसी धर जी ने एक नई बिल्डिंग का उद्घाटन किया है और वो उस बिल्डिंग को आपको समर्पित किया। बच्चों, ये एक नई बिल्डिंग आपके लिए है और ये बिल्डिंग कल यहाँ सोशल डेवलपमेंट सोसाइटी नए समाज नए बच्चों को समर्पित करती है उनके योगदान के लिए। मैं अपनी बात को विराम देने से पहले आपको एक हरबंस राय बच्चन की कुछ पंक्तियां पढ़कर अवश्य सुनाना चाहूंगा। नन्ही चीठी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर सौभाग्य चलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस बनता है, हाथ गिर कर थकना और नहीं थकता, मेहनत उसकी बेकार बर्बाद नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। बहुत विश्वास। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
I feel fortunate to greet and extend a warm welcome on behalf of Dr. Bansi Dhar School on our first interaction with honorable members of the School Managing Committee, Mayor Kota Dr. Ratna, distinguished guests who are here on this special occasion with a humble heart and deep sense of gratitude. It is indeed true that great things take manifestation at the hands of great people. One such magnanimous persona is amongst us today. She is none other than Dr. Bansi Dhar ji, wife of late Dr. Bansi Dhar ji, who is known with great feeling of reverence for his contribution to the field of education. The school in his name is indeed a Shraddhanjali for his departed soul, who will always be remembered as a knowledgeable yet humble person with humanitarian qualities and philanthropic vision. I also heartily welcome Shri Alok Shriram, Chairman of School Governing Body, Shri K. Rao, Vice Chairman, School Governing Body, Shri V.P. Chetri, Vice Chairman, School Managing Committee, who all are distinguished members giving their dedicated services and associated with the Shriram Social Development Society. But our story of luck doesn't end here. We educators are aware that good education causes blossoms of human mind that causes mankind on the verge of infinite possibilities. For this, combination of vision and excellent quality of leadership is required in order to mold vision into reality. And let me assure you, dear ladies and gentlemen, they are rare people who combine vision and leadership together. We indeed feel blessed to have such guiding lights behind each step in the day-to-day routine life of our school, our most respected and dear Karuna Madam, a great educationist and chairperson of School Managing Committee. I welcome you, ma'am, with simple yet grateful heart. Dr. Bansi Dhar School started its first academic session in April 2008 with a vision